Welcome to my YouTube channel, Takrim Media.
Top New Collection Tester Digital Multimeter Reviews 2025.
Number 4.
Mini OTDR Active Fiber Tester with 1550 nanometers wavelength and 20 dB dynamic range ensures accurate fiber optic troubleshooting. Equipped with touchscreen, OPM, VFL, OLS, and iOLA event map, it provides fast, reliable testing for live fiber networks. Compact, portable, and ideal for field professionals.
Number 3.
SEMDT 9515 Professional Digital Multimeter features a new design with advanced true RMS function for precise measurements. Ideal for electricians and technicians, it offers accurate testing of voltage, current, resistance, and more. Durable, user-friendly, and reliable, this manual electronic tester ensures efficiency in both professional and home applications.
Number 2.
UniT UT256 A digital plant meter is a reliable true RMS fork meter designed for precise AC current measurement. It functions as an ammeter, voltmeter, capacitor, and frequency tester. Compact and durable, it ensures fast, accurate readings, making it ideal for professional electricians and technicians.
Number 1.
Features: 1.25000 high precision burn-proof multimeter. 2. The greater the count, the higher the accuracy, the larger the range. 3. AC and DC combined voltage. Read the voltage value displayed on the screen. The main display is DC value, and the secondary display is AC value, which can detect the AC and DC voltage value at the same time. 4. NCV non-contact induction.
Please click subscribe button and press bell icon to get more videos. Thanks for watching.